especially the elderly clients, right? They seem to have not enough savings. That is one thing. Second thing is elderly couples. They have a home protection scheme which is not covered. Something that a lot of Singaporeans neglect. They don't renew their HPS. So over the years, what happens is they develop symptoms like cancer or some other illnesses. When they want to go back to their HPS, insurance has lapsed, and that their home is an asset. When they want to sell, either the age of the flat is too old, they cannot sell, and even if they sell, they are unable to buy the next property. Fire insurance also, they think that it's not really necessary. It's a few dollars. It's just $6 for 5 years or $20 for 5 years, depending on the room type they have. And lately, you have fire hazard things, yes, battery chargers and things like that is hazardous. And even electrical scooters and things like that, they catch fire, and then the fire insurance is not covered. So, how important is insurance?
Uh, Talking about HPS, usually that's one of the main important basic coverage where you can get where when you buy a house, as a couple, firstly get your HPS fully 100% checked and log into your CPF website and get it checked first because sometimes by default it'll be at 50%. So it's advisable to get 100% each.
Yeah, so HPS is basically if you are disability strikes or death occurs, or even in the situation where clients are terminally ill or disability strikes or death occurs, right? So HPS will actually help them ease the burden of settling the paying off the loan lah. So when you don't have it, so you continue staying inside the house, but you're not having any income, you're not able to work. So who's going to pay for the house? So you're going to put the burden on the kids, or if not, you have to downsize to a smaller house, and still you still have to fork out the money to pay for the downsized house also. So a lot of people think HPS is something which is not really important. You can ask Fauzia and Dean. It is very, very important. They have seen many, many clients. Even as insurance consultants, we also meet clients, and we also happen to help them also check in for the HPS, even though we are not in the property industry. HPS, another thing is some people also get private properties, right? Instead of HPS, because HPS is only for HDB houses. So they also get private mortgage plans. So which means it's like level term or reduce mortgage reducing term policy lah. So basically level term is it will be the same amount until the end of the premium loan amount. If not, it will be the same amount until they finish up the loan.